How do I activate split screen mode in Halo 5?
Hey there, gamers! Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the exciting world of Halo 5. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of activating split screen mode in Halo 5, so you and your friends can enjoy the game together on a single screen. Let's get started.
Accessing the main menu.
To activate split screen mode in Halo 5, the first step is to access the game's main menu. Launch the game and wait for it to load. Once you reach the main menu, you're ready to move on to the next step.
Navigating to the multiplayer section.
In the main menu of Halo 5, you'll find several options. Look for the Multiplayer section and select it by pressing the corresponding button on your controller. This will take you to the multiplayer menu, where you can access various multiplayer modes and options.
Selecting local co-op.
Within the multiplayer menu, you'll see different options for multiplayer gameplay. Look for the local or local co-op option and choose it. This will allow you to play with friends on the same screen, also known as split screen mode.
Setting up split screen.
After selecting local co-op, you'll be presented with the option to create or join a split screen game. If you're the first player, choose the Create Game option. If you're joining a game that someone else has created, select the Join Game option instead.
Configuring game settings.
Once you've chosen to create or join a game, you'll have the opportunity to configure various game settings. These settings include the game type, map selection, difficulty level, and more. Make sure to customize the settings according to your preferences.
Adding additional players.
After configuring the game settings, you can add additional players to join the split screen session. Connect the additional controllers to your gaming console and sign in the corresponding profiles. Once the controllers are connected, the additional players can press a button to join the split screen game.
Starting the game.
With all the players ready and the game settings configured, it's time to start the game. Press the corresponding button to initiate the game, and you'll be transported to the selected map with your friends, ready for an epic Halo 5 adventure in split screen mode. Congratulations! You've successfully activated split screen mode in Halo 5. Now you can enjoy the thrilling action and intense battles with your friends by your side, sharing the same screen. Remember, split screen gaming is a fantastic way to bond with friends and have a great time together. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next video.